na-include yung mga... We're going home, Aaron. We're going home. Bye. We just got from our trip from Hawaii. Charis. Hello. This is my boyfriend, Aaron. So, na po siya internship for today, but...
Dainty Death Squad.
No, why would you say that? I said Dainty Death Diaries.
Dainty
Die Hard
Death Supporters.
No, it's DDD, Dainty Death Diaries. It's a DDD man, Jun. Ay, sakit ako. Hoy, saan yung ID mo? Nasaan yung ID mo? Ago! Okay, so... Oh my God, what was that? Wala na. Dugay siya, mga ano. Like, girl. Wala ko anong gano. Feeling ko, wala na to na feel ba? Kaya yung sa kapugat sa bag. Like na feel mo, pero naglakaw lang yung mong ka or wala dyan. Oh. Oo, ano ko, hala. Suga, uy.
And through Zoom, streamed live via the Kasama Facebook page. This gathering serves as an important avenue for the student body.
Involve ourselves on the decisions on the programs na among initiate so that
And now, to formally begin the presentation and question and answer segment for the College Student Councils, let us welcome our first presenting council, the College of Art and Social Sciences. A round of applause, please.
Good morning, everyone. I am Hannah Valeria Kama, currently a third-year Bachelor of Science in Philosophy major and applied ethics student, and also the outgoing and former mayor of the Junior Philosophers Guild. And I'm here presenting myself as a candidate for the board membership of the College of Arts and Social Sciences. My platforms po include opening legislative council so that our student body, CAS students in particular, can participate and witness and engage in our discussions. At the same time as well, we also aim to have intersocial networks and collaborative systems, what do you call this one? In between our society council, student council, at the same time, our departmental societies, and at the same time as well, capacity building and capacity sharing workshops to build and enhance the skills of our students. And at the same time, adjacent to that, our advocacies, awareness campaigns, so that this skill learning that we have is intentional and of course, impactful driven. Thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone. Am I audible po? Good morning, everyone. I am Julie Carmel Agbu Palarca, a fourth-year BA Political Science student.
This question is intended for those people that have little to no leadership experience in the CAS Student Council.
Alright, thank you. I would also like to answer with the remaining time. I share the same experience with Potre and John Dave. This is also my first time serving in a CAS student council, although technically I'm an ex-officio. I am a society mayor, so I would like to bring that experience sana sa student council natin. How do we have more synergy when it comes to our student council and our department societies? Kasi based on my experience, there needs to be more relationship towards the bodies. Kasi di naman tayo separate entities eh. When you think about it, we are in the same umbrella, and I would like to bring that perspective. That is why it's also one of my advocacies into collaborative supports. How do we actually utilize the pool of resources and initiatives that we have together? Probably through this system, we can have more collaborative or joint partnerships, initiatives together, and that will make us stronger. probably one that I could cite siguro is during our this fundraiser for Palestine. So it was not an isolated initiative by the Junior Philosophers Guild. It was supported by several organizations, student councils, and also societies. So in itself, our goal talaga is to have a more united cast man po. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you very much. So yeah, do you still want to answer? Or, all right, thank you very much. So I think
The first answer. Perhaps from the online.
I would like to answer lang po.
Thank you so much. I also believe that I can relate to this in the same context in such a way. Sa JPG naman, in a departmental societal level, at least 2 to 3 events we weren't able to implement sa calendar of activities namin because of the fact na, one, kulang na po sa resources, kulang sa budget, or meron pong discrepancy or conflict of dates. So, on our end, on those activities naman, on those, the context of those activities, yung na lang namin is i-continue siya ng next administration. We pitch it as an idea or activity naman na ipagpapatuloy nila. Now, with the context of the CAS-SE sa mga platforms namin, it's very important na yung mga platforms namin is actually grounded on the realities. Kung ano nga ba yung resources na meron kami, kung ano nga ba yung kakayahan din ng each of the student leaders that I am with in the platforms that I have, the open council sessions. I believe that can be remediated through a policy, since yun naman po, it's gonna be a legislation. Yun naman pong sa inter-collaborative support and network system that will require the time, energy, and the effort with the ex-official members, the future ex-official members of the student council, and that is the department societal mayors. And at the same time, yung panghuli naman po, I think that one is the one that needs a little bit of legwork, collaborations, partnerships with organizations, kasi yun po is capacity sharing and capacity building workshops. So hopefully, we can do that with the resources that are allocated to us, and at the same time as well, yung kakayahan ng mga student leaders na meron tayo po. So thank you. That will be my answer for that.
Thank you. A candidate from the online platform would like to answer. Mix the gate may now begin.
Okay, so
reading a comment from the live stream. We have an exceptional lineup of candidates this year, each with unique strengths, niche, and interest. While many of you are vying for specific committees, there is always a chance that a board member might be assigned to lead a portfolio far outside their expertise or comfort zone. Commitment is one thing, but misalignment could lead to leadership burnout. The question reads, if you are assigned to a committee that does not align with your personal skills or interests, how do you plan to successfully manage that role, and what specific strategies will you use to prevent burnout?
Right. I would just also want to second what Joe said. Yes, I do believe that it's very important that the committee, in my context, the committee that I'll be handling is of my skills and of my interest, of course. But at the same time as well, it's very important to account that it was my choice to run. It was our choice to run. It was our deliberate choice to say, oh, I want to stand up for my student body. And therefore, I say, learning actually is a lifelong endeavor, and I would be willing, or rather, it is our responsibility to learn and to competently do our job. Kasi yun nga, babalikan ko yun, we cannot afford a subpar student council. Kumbaga, it was our deliberate choice to run, and it would be our responsibility to learn and to actually love what we are doing po. Thank you.
Oh, okay. There's a question.
Hello, good morning. Okay, so last year's Kasama general election recorded only a 22.72% voter turnout, meaning more than 77% of CAS students did not participate in choosing their leaders. If elected, what concrete and measurable strategies will you implement to increase student engagement and voter participation? And how will you know if those strategies are successful? Thank you.
Okay, so thank you so much for that question. I think that situation also demands us to look at the bigger picture more. Kasi di lang po sa elections nangyayari yung low student participation, pati din po sa ibang events, initiatives ng student councils, kumbaga, in that context. So for me, I would also bank going back to my experience siguro as a departmental mayor, I am proud to say that a lot of our events was actually attended ng karamihan sa mga students natin, and that is with no sanctions, that is with no fines sa absences nila. I'm very proud to say that. And I think yung ano talaga is you make them feel like home. You make them feel like a family na part na sila. Kasi yun yung nangyari sa amin. JPG is one of the smallest societies in CAS. We are 250 students. We are 15 officers, but we were able to do that. And in this scale, with our sociological imagination, with our philosophical thinking, with our constituents from Panitikan, from Filipino, from political science, from psychology, from linguistics, from literary and cultural studies, I think we can bank on those concepts that we have and to actually foster mechanisms collectively. Kasi for me, yun talaga yun eh. In order for students to be more involved with our initiatives, they need to know that it is for them, and at the same time, they need to know na, we are a family here. We are a big family, and part kayo nito. This is for you, this is not just for us. Yun po yung para sa akin. That is also my perspective. Hopefully, through that, the mechanisms, we can engage them more to participate in our events and also to participate and utilize the rights to suffrage po. Thank you.
Okay, follow up lang to Mr. Mix Philip. So are you saying that
Yeah, I would also like siguro to add na lang on Philip's answer. I think it's very true na parang lahi ramang good kung ma-interact dyan mo one-on-one or makita dyan mo imong o kami mangumpanya ninyo makani imong plataforma lahi ra jud kay na feeling, especially if online campaign. Pero yes, it is necessary for us to utilize the online spaces that we have because of course of the circumstances of the schedules, but at the same time I think Philip is just wanting to emphasize talaga how important it is to interact sa mga tao or sa mga estudyante na siniservisyahan po natin. So, yun po.
Thank you. Before that, we would like to recognize and acknowledge the presence of Sir Elmar Albios. Welcome, sir, to the meeting, the Avance 2026.
So thank you, candidates, for all of your responses. I think that closes now the open forum segment for this college. So thank you to the candidates, and we will now proceed to the next presenting council, the College of Computer Studies.
First hands up, galing pa lang kay Nana share contribution and such, and I believe that
Hindi ito na part nga naka-socialize ta, but like the point being,
thank you so much. College SE's announcement of incredible mission. Someone, for example, like other own members of the group, will like create that for you. You can post all of your resolutions.
So this is a chocolate I bought from Vietnam, and I'm giving it to Valerie and Charles as a possible because I value our friendship so much.
Candidates, or at least understandable. That's why we are asking you to at least meet.
Better daw ito. Abot ako kasi kung makaabot nila kaya stay ako sa terminal until maka-nanawin.
Sa clinic na lang unta ka.
Uy, nagtagda dyan na siguro naman kita nagtitingin na ito na sharing my ideas po para medyo friendly lang po siya, hindi siya academic. Ganito na ito ang terms niya on the research track or on kung saan ang sundan ng research, ang interaction, output, and decision. Kung saan ito yung person for capsule production. Okay na no? Sige, so I call it intervention mapping. Ma'am, mali ba na ba? Ay, ikaw ang bibig sa tao. So, ang first po, which is exclusive register sa... Same rate English.
Huh?
Same.
Bye. Wala ko yung gigama.
Don't worry, wala akong ma.
Bye, kuya!